Let's take a look at the question, does culture cause anything? It can be difficult to see how culture and the outcomes of culture can be separated. If culture is meanings and socially transmitted behavior patterns, how can it then include attitudes and behaviors and replace structural control? Organizational culture becomes both cause and effect. The workplace culture cannot be separated from the way the job is performed, and therefore no causal relationship can be established. Without culture, socialization is impossible, and without socialization, there'd be no one to carry culture. Furthermore, if there were no specific work group culture, there'd be no need for socialization. People would fit in anyway as a result of a shared, broader culture associated with nation, class, profession, and so on. Workplace culture is important to understanding the nature of workers' commitment to and identification with the workplace. Generally, it's often difficult to separate clearly what is culture and what are its outcomes.